Hi, today at 12th Avenue Cuisine, we're making a pear walnut gorgonzola pizza. More for an appetizer, I think. So
and this is another recipe out of the Ooni Cooking with Fire cookbook.
So we're using a biga dough. It doesn't have to be biga, but that's what I had on hand.
And we're using the Kitchen and Craft biga dough recipe. We've had a lot of good luck with that, and we recommend that recipe if you're looking to build a biga pizza dough for your first time. It might be a good one to start with, again, from Kitchen and Craft.
Very easy, no mixer required. It's become my favorite dough.
And what we're using today is some pears, some walnuts, some gorgonzola, and cranberries, huh?
Yeah, cranberries.
Cranberries,
Just
all right.
for that little bit of tartness and really pretty color. And you use regular pizza sauce, which I've made earlier.
And from a heat management perspective, we have our Ooni Koda 16 outdoor pizza oven. We warmed it up on high for 30 minutes, and I just turned it down to low. And that's pretty much our standard routine when we're cooking non-Neapolitan style pizzas. And we're not sponsored by anybody. We just enjoy doing these things. So you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and share. Now we got that work out of the way. Enjoy the video.
Okay, so we're using some gorgonzola.
And you'll notice that Lori is building the pizza on a cutting board, and then we are going to transfer it to our wood peel for launch. And we find we have much more success launching when we do not build the pizza on the peel. Your experience may be different, and it really comes down to whatever works for you is best for you. And we just made recently a cotipelto pizza from the Ooni Cooking with Fire cookbook. Please keep an eye out for that. It was the first pizza we've ever made where we used ketchup instead of pizza sauce.
It's very different. But I think we've also found some enhancements. And I think the little berries and the pear real contrast to
And if yeah, very colorful.
it's pretty. So you can always reshape your pizza once you get it on the peel.
All right, we got movement. Successful launch. Let me double check. Oven's on low. And I'm using the Ooni 14-inch metal peel, non-perforated, for both the turning and retrieving.
You can also launch with it too. Then you have it all in one.
And what I like about using the metal peel is I can get it turned 180 degrees, which is a good amount of rotation with your Ooni Koda 16 because of the L burner design. And center the rack. Okay, there you have it. Gorgonzola, pear, walnut,
And cranberries.
And cranberries. Another creation from the Ooni Cooking with Fire cookbook. So if you want to find out how it tastes and our thoughts on cooking it and what we would do different, drop into our 12th Avenue Cuisine Facebook page for the rest of the story. We'll have it there. Other than that,
See you next time.
see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.